Question 11. You have a Fabric workspace named Workspace 1 that contains a warehouse named DW1 and a data pipeline named Pipeline 1. You plan to add a user named User3 to Workspace 1. You need to ensure that User3 can perform the following actions. View all the items in Workspace 1. Update the tables in DW1. The solution must follow the principle of least privilege. You already assigned the appropriate object-level permissions to DW1. Which workspace role should you assign to User3? Your options are A. Admin, B. Member, C. Viewer, D. Contributor. Pause the video and choose your answer. The correct answer is D. Contributor. I will tell you why this is the correct answer. D. Contributor is correct because it allows User3 to view all items in the workspace and update data without giving unnecessary workspace administration or sharing permissions. Since the required object-level permissions on DW1 are already assigned, Contributor provides the required access while following the principle of least privilege. Exam tip: if the user needs to view plus modify workspace items but doesn't need to manage permissions, choose Contributor. Remember, Viewer is equal to View. Contributor is equal to View plus Edit. Member is equal to Edit plus Share. Admin is equal to Full Control.
Like this video if you found it helpful. Preparing for DP-700? Subscribe to Yogesh Tech Code. Let's crack DP-700. See you in the next video.